So how can you make your Instagram profile look better? Let me give you some general guidelines on some things that you can do. First of all, make sure to utilize all of the features of Instagram. There are plenty of different things which people do not really use. First of all, there is the profile, right? So if you go to the edit profile, like obviously make sure you have your profile picture. You can add the avatar, which will make it look a little bit better because, the profile picture will like flip or whatever, right? Just make sure to add all of the things. But you can also click on the bio or like the description, and you can see that right now you can fill it out with like all of the information and whatnot, but you do not have the ability to click on the enter or just go one row below. So that's why it's better to actually type in your description in like the Notes app, for example, where you can set it up exactly as you want, format it a little differently, right? And then just paste it in here so you can, utilize all of the rows, right? So you don't put it in just one row, but you just make it go like this. And it's actually much nicer that way, right? So that's just an example of a thing you can do to make your profile look better. You can then also pay attention to other features, like you can add the music to your profile, add banners, like that's a thing now, right? And that's like the thing you can do for your profile. When it comes to the content, obviously the content, the more interesting, the better, but you can also perform some changes. Make sure you utilize the highlights and have your stories forever available on the profile, or change the cover images for highlights as well as for your Instagram Reels, because you can click on your Reels, tap on the three dots and go to the edit, and you have the ability to change the cover image and also see how it will look on your grid. So if you utilize all of those things and play around with the way it looks, you can most definitely make it look a lot better. So just a couple of different things which crossed my mind and I just wanted to share it with you. For more tips and videos like this one, hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and that way you're not going to miss anything important.